Can we recover permanently deleted Instagram account after 30 days? Hello everybody, if you're wondering we can or not, in this video we are going to find out. So for that, in order to usually recover your account, you can head over to Instagram, open it up, and you should be finding a login interface where you need to enter up your credentials in order to log in. So if you have already permanently deleted your Instagram account, when you head over in this username, email and mobile number section, and go ahead and type in your username or anything and enter up your password and try to log in. Unfortunately, you won't be logged in because it's not possible to recover a permanently deleted Instagram account after 30 days, as all data is permanently removed from Instagram service. So once you initiate a permanent deletion and the 30-day grace period passes, Instagram permanently removes your account and all associated data, including your username. And if you're trying to recover, neither you or nor your Instagram supports team can retrieve a permanently deleted Instagram account. So for now, it's not possible if you have already passed the 30 days interval. So I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching this video. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.